Hey, have you heard about the Introduction to JavaScript course by Let Solutions?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's an online course that teaches you the basics of JavaScript for front-end web development.
Why is learning JavaScript important for web development?
JavaScript is a fundamental building block of the internet and is an essential tool to have in your web development toolkit. It allows you to add interactive, dynamic elements to your web pages.
That sounds interesting. What does the course offer?
The course is designed for beginners, so no prior experience or special skills are required. You will learn the basics of JavaScript through hands-on application and examples every step of the way. By the end of the course, you will have built a fully functional flashcard app to demonstrate your practical knowledge.
That's great. Where can I find more information about the course?
You can visit the Let Solutions website to learn more about the course and sign up for it.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll definitely check it out.
No problem. I'm sure you'll find the course beneficial for your web development skills.